Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome back to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. My today's video is the overall sum up of which one is better. I have made so many videos on these online learning platforms, Byju's, Vedantu, Extra Mark, Unacademy, which one is better and which one is not better. And I have got a lot of comments from these students who is already studying on these platforms. So today I am going to sum up all the comments, all the reviews of these students and finally saying which one is best about these online learning platforms. So let's start with the comments or reviews of these students who are already learning from these platforms. The first video was Byju's versus Vedantu, which one is better, Byju's or Vedantu. In this video I get the comment from the Mr. Suraj Parida. He said Vedantu is much more better than the Vedantu. So in this video one vote is for the Vedantu. My next video was the Extra Mark versus the Byju's. In this video, I explained the review of facts of these students who is already studying on these online learning platforms, and they explain about these platforms. I just explained the facts. So in this video, I first get the comment of Mr. Soni Singh who said Byju's is best. Next, I get the comment from Learning by Indian Best Teacher. He said Byju's is worse. Then I further asked why Byju's is worse. Then he said there is no complete explanation of the concept on this online learning platform. Then I get the comment from the Undisputed Gaming Era. He said Byju's is best, and I asked why Byju's is best. Someone are saying Byju's is not best. Then he said that you can see the Byju's, their animation style, their teaching styles, everything is best in Byju's. Okay, fine, everything is fine in Byju's. Then there is a person whose name is Latest Trend. He said Byju's is worst. Why Byju's is worst? He said they only disturb the students by calling and by advertising their packages. Just take our package. And it is the person who has the fight with one of the employee of the Byju's who is handling their BNet, and Mr. Bolly, you can check the comment on my video. This is Extra Mark versus Byju's. He said that he in this video it is the person who has explained that Byju's is just saying that you can get the 100% scholarship. If you have scored the desired score, you can get the 100% scholarship, but there is actually no 100% scholarship. Means they have framed their policies in such a way that you can never get the 100% scholarship. This is the person who has scored the 99 percentile and still he don't get the scholarship. And why he don't get the scholarship, they don't explain it why they don't give the 100% scholarship. They just gives कि हमारी policies ऐसी है. Means they have framed their policies really smartly that no one can get the 100% scholarship, but they claim that you can get the 100% scholarship. And this person fight with the employee of the Byju's, Mr. Bolly, who really ही मीन्स उसको बार बार कहते रहे कि कैन वी सॉर्ट आउट दिस मैटर, कैन वी सॉर्ट आउट दिस मैटर, आप मुझे अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर बता दीजिए, आई विल सॉर्ट आउट दिस मैटर, आई विल फाइंड आउट व्हाई यू डोंट गेट दी स्कॉलरशिप, क्या पॉलिसीज के कारण आपको स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिली है. सो यू कैन टेक दिस पॉइंट एज अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट एंड आल्सो एज अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट. द पॉजिटिवनेस इन दिस पॉइंट इज मीन्स टू गेट अ स्टूडेंट इन, मीन्स फॉर अ स्टूडेंट, मीन्स आपके साथ अगर आपको scholarship नहीं मिली है तो what was the reason? They were so eager to know that. And the negative point is this, means a student is getting the 99 percentile in its BNet and still he is not getting the 100% scholarship. So means there is some loopholes. So this was the explanation for this Extra Marks versus Vedantu. In this video this was the discussion for the Byju's, but in this video it is not the Byju's who got the maximum stars, it is the Extra Marks who get the maximum stars, because there are total 6 persons who said Extra Marks is best. I am studying for the Extra Marks. Extra Marks is best. Extra Marks is best. Means there are 6 comments total who is saying that Extra Marks is best, and there is only 2 comments which is saying Byju's is best, and there was a fight for the Byju over the Byju's BNet. totally conflicted Byju's BNet. And in this there is a girl whose name is Ayushi, who said that extra marks is good for the exams. The same point which I explained in my video, she said the same comment. So some of the persons who said कि that आपने कोई YouTube channel start कर लिया and you start reviewing the videos और आप कहते हैं ये best है वो best है, आप ऐसे कैसे कह सकते हैं. Now the same student is saying, who is learning from these sites, these online learning platforms, same student is saying that same point which I explained, that extra mark is good for the exams and Byju's is good for the learning. So this is a girl Ayushi who comment me this, like extra marks is good for exams and Byju's is good for learning, and I am learning from the Byju's. So these are all the comments on this video. Next video I made is Unacademy versus Vedantu, which one is better. In this all the comments in this video, in all the comments I get Vedantu is better. So I got the zero review of the Unacademy. I don't have the review of Unacademy. So in overall conclusion, there is a online learning platform that is Vedantu, which get all the positive comments. There is no negative comments about the Vedantu. It get all the positive comments. And there is a platform Extra Marks, which get the maximum positive comments, that Extra Marks is best. And there is a platform which get the zero comment, that is the Unacademy. No one said how is Unacademy, no one is saying anything about it. And there is a online learning platform which is getting the mixed review, that is the Byju's, and with a big blunder, जो उनका बहुत ही big blunder सामने आया है कि मीन्स उनका जो BNet है उसमें कुछ कन्फ्लिक्ट्स रहता ही है, and they claim the 100% scholarship but still not getting the 100% scholarship. So the overall conclusion is Extra Marks, Vedantu, Byju's, Unacademy. So this is the overall review on the basis of the comments I get on my various videos, previous videos. So I hope this review will help you in some way. Thank you so much. Bye bye.